The next rule is a decimal rule, and it's really easy. So we can kind of look at this like this. So the last one we were talking about where leading zeros aren't significant, I look at the rules like this. I just simplify it. If a number is less than 1, smaller than 1, okay, you take out the leading zeros and everything else is significant. The reason that's important is because you could have a number like this, 0.002000. Well, we take out those leading zeros, but just because those leading zeros aren't significant doesn't mean that these are. This means I've actually measured out to this place. So if I had the number 0.200, this means I actually measured out to the tens place, to the hundreds place, to the thousands place, and I found that the measurement at the thousands place was 0. This is exactly 2/10 of a meter or whatever. So we take out this, but these zeros still count. So this has 3 sig figs, and this number has 4 sig figs. You just cross out those leading zeros, everything counts. So that's still related to the last rule. But now, if the number is 1 or higher, and it has a decimal anywhere in the number at all of the numbers are significant. So if you had 1.000, that number is 1 or higher, and there is a decimal, everything is significant. There are 4 sig figs. If I had the number let's say 32.02140, because that number is 1 or higher, and there is a decimal right there, everything is significant, and we have 7 sig figs. The only time, if a number is bigger than 1, that you have to question whether a number is significant is if there is not a decimal in it and there are zeros at the end, and we'll talk about that rule next.